Friends, today I am now going to discuss a very important quantum problem that has come in the JEST 2016 exam. It will help to improve your concept on quantum also. So let's start discussion on it. So first of all, what was the question given? Psi NLM equals root 2 means these three quantum numbers psi NLM root 2 by root 7 psi 1 0 0 vector r, here I am writing the 0 properly, minus 3 by root 14 psi 2 1 0 vector r bracket plus 1 by root 14 psi 3 2 2. That means in the question it is given a wave function and wave function of a hydrogen atom, H atom. A wave function was given. Whose wave function? It is given the hydrogen atom wave function. And what is that? The wave function was such that psi NLM equals root 2 by root 7 psi 100 r minus 3 by root 14 psi 210 r and 1 by root 14 psi 322 r. This 100, 210, 322, these are all NLM values, NL and M values. Now it is given. Now what was that question? Question was that I am going to discuss. Question was that find expectation value of energy first, and the main question was let me erase it. Main question was that ratio of expectation value to the ground state energy. Let E0 be the ground state energy and expectation value and ground state energy E0 ratio. And what it was asked that L square average ও জিজ্ঞেস করেছিল, L square average. It was asked about L square average. So let's discuss. So first of all we will try to find E average. So first of all I am telling now, if I am telling the theory of this thing, if you are being told or you are being asked in the exam to find out expectation average, what you will do? In general, what we do? In general, we do integration psi star E psi d tau. In general, we do, or otherwise we do psi Hamiltonian. Sorry, here it will be E means Hamiltonian. Sorry, H Hamiltonian psi. In the Dirac notation we do these things, but here wave function is given and the coefficients are given. So here we will do another thing. What we will do? I am telling you a very important direct method or the things. Whenever you are being asked something average energy or average or expectation means what? Expectation means average. Expectation means what? Expectation means average. Whenever you are told to do something average such as X, you have to do one thing. Just multiply that physical quantity with probability corresponding to that physical quantity. You have to do these things only. What to do? Such as X is a physical quantity and you have been asked to solve the expectation value of that physical quantity. So what you will do? You will do X into probability corresponding to that X. So similarly here it is asked about expectation value of energy, and what we will obtain? We will do probability corresponding to that energy and the energy expectation value. Energy expectation value, no? And the energy value. So we are now clear about that concept. Here it is asked about expectation value of energy to to the ground state energy. So first of all, we will do the probability corresponding to that wave function into energy corresponding to that. So first of all, let us again take that psi. Okay, take that psi. I'm again writing that psi. Okay, psi n l m. Let me write clearly. Psi. Let me write clearly. So first of all, tell me now how you will tell. First of all, I should say you that whenever you will get some wave function like psi, etc., etc., first of all you have to see what wave function is normalized or not. So first I'm writing root 2 by 7 or root 2 whole root 2 by 7 psi 100 plus minus 3 by root 14 psi 210 plus 1 by root 14 psi 322. So to check normalization, what we will have to do? What we will do? So just we will write first the wave function in Dirac notation, and we will multiply the here let the psi is in Ket notation. I am writing all the things in Dirac bracket notation. Psi, and we will multiply by bra psi. So how now what will the possible case now? Root 2 by 7 whole square, root 2 by 7 whole square plus of minus 3 by root 14 whole square plus 1 by root 14 whole square. We are checking the wave functions are normalized or not. So what we are getting 2 by 7 plus 9 by 14 plus 1 by 14. When you will do the addition of this, you will get 1. So when we are getting bra psi, Ket psi, this Ket notation, this bra notation, that means when we are doing the multiplication inner product of psi, that means that has answer of 1. So here we can say that it is the wave function is normalized. Okay, now we will proceed. We will proceed to do what? We will proceed to obtain energy. Sorry, expectation value of energy. So to obtain expectation value of energy, first of all, what we should do? First of all, we have to know that wave function is for what? Wave function for is hydrogen atom. So for hydrogen atom, what is the energy formula? Or what is the energy formula? That is En equals minus 13.6 Z square by N square. Is the formula. Where Z is the atomic number, N is the energy level or principal quantum states, etc., etc. So why we are now doing this? Because we will now do the expectation value of energy. So E average equals Pi summation over Pi EI, probability and corresponding energy. So Pi means what? When I am taking psi equals C1 psi 1 plus C2 psi 2 plus C3 psi 3. When I am writing such a way, then what will be the probability of this wave function such as corresponding to psi 1? What will be the probability? So probability will be always, let me erase it. Probability will be always, let me write again. For psi 1 state, such as psi is the linear combination of C1 psi 1 plus C2 psi 2 plus C3 psi 3. So what will be the probability? Probability will be that coefficient whole square by divided by c1 square plus c2 square plus dot 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 cn square. This term will give you value the 1, and this term c1 square will give you the value of probability. So in the wave function, what we will get, what we have got in the wave function, we got root 2 by 7 psi 11100 plus 3 by minus of 3 by root 14 psi 210 plus of 1 by root 14 psi 322. So here what are the coefficient? So corresponding to psi 100, what will be the probability? Probability will be root 2 by root 7 whole square. And corresponding to psi 210, what will be the probability? Probability will be minus of root 3 by root 14 whole square. And corresponding to psi 322, what will be the probability? Probability will be 1 by root 14 whole square, because these are the coefficients of these wave functions. So taking the whole square things, let's take the whole square things. What can we do? First erase it. So what is the concept behind the expectation value here? Here, when we are going to obtain probability, we are obtaining when we are going to obtain expectation value, we are first obtaining probability. So when we are going to obtain expectation value of energy, we will first calculate probability, and corresponding to probability corresponding to that energy. So first psi 100. For psi 100, what was that? Coefficient root 2 by root 7. So for psi 100, I will take the mod coefficient square of root 2 by root 7. So what is the square of root 2 by 7? That means root 2 by 7 whole square, corresponding to psi 100. Here what is the principal quantum number? N, L, M. N is the principal quantum number, N. So corresponding to N, it is N equals 1 state. That means here what will be the principal quantum number? E1. So let me take E1. Root 2 by root 7 whole square. E1. It is corresponding to psi 10. Psi 210, what was that? Minus 3 by root 14 whole square. And what was that? Psi 210. That means E2 plus, according to psi 322, what was the coefficient? 1 by root 14 whole square. And energy will be what? Energy will be E3. So these are the things we will going to calculate. So probability, energy, probability, energy, probability, energy. So let's take a simple page. So first of all, we get the probability one for corresponding to psi 100. What is the probability? 2 by 7. Psi 210 corresponding probability 9 by 14. And corresponding to psi 322, probability was 1 by 14. So, and according to probability corresponding to 27 psi 100, energy was E1. So how to calculate E1? E1 equals that formula minus 3 by minus 13.6. For hydrogen atom Z value is 1 square. That means atomic number. And N equals 1. So here 1. So after calculating it, we are getting energy expectation value minus 13.6. Similarly, for wave function psi 210, psi NLM, that means N equals 2. Probability is what? probability is 9 by 14. So 9 by 14 corresponding to 9 by 14, what will be the energy? And corresponding to 9 by 14, what was that energy? Energy E2, that is minus 3.6 by 2 square. Let me write it properly. Minus 3.6 by 2 whole square. So, and corresponding to 1 by 14, that is psi 322, minus 3.6 by 4, sorry, it will be 3 square, because it was psi 322. And corresponding to psi 322, let me write it clearly. Corresponding to psi 322, what is the value of n? The value of n is 3. That is 3 square. Now we will do the expectation value of energy. So let's write the expectation value of energy. Now E corresponding to psi 100. 2 by 7 was the probability, and minus 13.6 by 1 square, that is minus 13.6 we got, minus 13.6. So we name it as E00. E0. We consider it as E0. So 2 by 7 into E0 plus probability corresponding to psi 210 was what? 9 by 14. And corresponding to energy, what was? Minus 13.6 by 2 square. That means what? E0 by 4. E0 by 4 we have got. So writing that 9 by 14 into E0 by 4. Now let me erase it. And corresponding to psi 322. What was that probability? Corresponding to psi 322, probability was 1 by 14. Okay. And E3 minus 13.6 by 3 square. So it is E0. And minus 13.6 E0 by 3 square. That means E0 by 3 square. That means E0 by 9. E0 by 9. So let it write E0 by 9 into E0 by 9. Now we will calculate. After calculating all these things, if you calculate all these things, what you will get? You will get, I am writing the calculation. After calculating all these things, you will get E average equals, if you take common E0, you will get 2 by 7 into 1 plus 9 by 14 into E0 by 4 was there, so 1 by 4, and 1 by 14 into E0 by 9 was there, so 1 by 9. So after calculating it, you will get E average equals 229 by 504 E0. E0 is what? Minus 13.6. That is the lowest energy. That is means what? Ground state energy. So we got the E average equals 229 by 504 E0. So what is the question now? The question is ratio of expectation value of energy to the ground state energy. That means in the question not only asked about E average, it is asked about E average means expectation value of energy ratio, that means ground state energy ratio divided by E0. So E0, E0 cancel. So what will be the expectation value of energy and E0 ratio? That's meant 229 by 504. That's it. So first part of the question we have cleared. We have wrote the first part of the question. Now in the second part, what was asked? It was asked about L square average. So first of all, when L square acts on in psi, what we will get? We will get L into L plus 1 h cut square psi. That means when you will take L square expectation value psi here it will be, then L square sorry, let me clear it. Then we will get psi into psi, that will be give what? 1 for normalized state. I'm writing it clearly. Psi brash I ket psi, what will give? Brash I ket psi 1, and we will get L into L plus 1 to h cut square. So L square expectation value will be L into L plus 1 into h cut square. We get it has another method also, but for the timing I will not discuss that. Into an expectation value means what? Corresponding to that probability also. Corresponding to that probability. So first of all, writing it clearly. First, expectation value. Whenever you are doing the any expectation value, what I told, probability into that quantity, that means L square psi. So corresponding to psi 100 n L m, L value is what? 0. Okay, that means, and corresponding to, now we will write all the things step by step. Corresponding to psi 100, L value is 0. Corresponding to psi 210, L value is 1, NLM, NLM. Corresponding to psi 322, L value is 2. So we will first calculate L into L plus 1 into h cut square for each psi. So let us calculate. What's wrong that? So first of all, corresponding to psi 100. Corresponding to psi 100, L value is 0. So L square means 0 square. L square means L into, erase it. 0, L into L plus 1 h cut square. L square value 0 into 0 plus 1 into h cut square will be what? 0 into 0 plus 1 h cut square will be 0. And corresponding to 1, L into L plus 1 h cut square, 1 into 1 plus 1 h cut square, that means 2 into 1, 2 h cut square. And corresponding to 2, that will be 2 into 2 plus 1, that means 6 h cut square. So we'll get the L square value. We have got the L square value. So what is now our task now? Our task is to evaluate the L square expectation value. So to evaluate L square expectation value, what we will do now? L square, that means probability. Corresponding to psi 100, what we have got the probability? 2 by 7 into 0 plus corresponding to psi 210, what we have got the probability in the previous calculation? 9 by 14. And L square value, what we have got? 2h cut square. And corresponding to psi 322, probability was 1 by 14. And L square value is what? 6h cut square. So this we will get 0. So after calculation, we will get L square value equals, after doing the whole this calculation, only this simple addition, you'll get 12 by 7 h cut square. That's it. Thank you for patiently watching.